Maglagay tayo ng cream para hindi magiging dry ang ating mukha. Good morning! Taong bahay tayo ngayon. Today is Saturday. Every morning, we have to drink water to flush out yung ating intestine. Pag madumi daw kasi yung intestine natin, doon nag-uumpisa yung mga sakit. Aba, health education naman, kaaga-aga. Sa grapong mutlaeng. Sumunuhan ka nga umiinom gidanom, awan. Alam niyo yung hindi umiinom ng tubig, kidney, masisira din. Kakaroon ka ng acidosis. Kaya, every morning when we wake up, we have to drink water to flush out, not only to flush out our intestine, but to hydrate us. Kasi during the night kasi is fasting pag natutulog ka. Inom ng tubig ha, when you wake up in the morning. And then, let's prepare breakfast. My breakfast this morning is sweet. Tapos, magtitimpla tayo ng kape. Coffee is life. Ako ay nagko-coffee at least twice a day. Tea at saka coffee. Sometimes tea, sometimes coffee. No sugar. Do not accumulate sugar into your body. Sweet breakfast at saka coffee with milk. This is fish oil. Wala na tayong trabaho ngayon. Tambay na tayo ngayon. Kaya ito, magpapataba na lang tayo. Huwag nang diet-diet. Glutinous rice yan. Nilagyan ko ng cheese. Yan. Inuubos ko lahat ng pagkain dito sa bahay. Para hindi ma-expire pag iniwanan natin. Hindi kasi sila marunong mag-manage ng kusina. Ayokong matatapon ang food. Pag-alis natin, wala tayong iiwanan pagkain sa bahay. Ubos, simot lahat ang cupboard, ang freezer, ang ref, lahat simot. Kasi kung sinong maiiwan, hindi nila aasikasuhin, may expire lang, sayang. And I don't like to waste food. That's a big no-no to me, wasting food. Kasi ang dami-daming taong hindi kumakain. Tapos here we are, tapon ng pagkain. And I really don't mind buying a lot of food, magpakain ng marami, for as long as hindi natatapon. I don't like wasting food. For as long as kakainin nila at hindi tinatapon, o kaya hindi na-expire, hindi siya nasasayang. Today is very sunny. Have a blessed day, everyone. Ciao!